Pulling it out of the box real time, and I have to go prepare for my students. Let me check the time. Yep, it's almost 8 o'clock. Peace and love. I am Peaceful Asha, and I am here outside of my day job to record my birthday gift to myself. This is a blind purchase, and let's see, why was I drawn to it? I was drawn to it because, first of all, it's from a Black-owned company, and also, hopefully, it smells like the fall, because we are now in the fall. I forgot that I asked for it to be gift wrapped. So yesterday was my 40th birthday, and every time I tell people that, they're so surprised. They're like, you don't look 40 at all. Hello. No, you're fine, you're fine.
We made this for you. I want to make sure you saw
Oh,
it. I don't know if you want to have
thank
it now or let her give it to you or
that's
what.
so special.
Yes, she came home and she's like, we have to make a card.
I love
happy
it.
birthday.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Do you want me to put it somewhere inside, or you
No,
want
I'm
to
gonna hold on
Okay.
to it.
Great.
Oh, thank you. Yes, ma'am, that is my computer. Yes, you know, I leave this thing everywhere. I love that. So, of course, you just saw what just happened. My student created a happy birthday card for me. I love it. So outside of seeing me on here whenever I can, I teach pre-K 3. And yesterday we had a birthday party for me, AKA I brought the cupcakes and the ice cream. Yes, that just really melted my heart. What was I even talking about? I bought myself a birthday gift for me, obviously, because yesterday was my 40th birthday, and it's from Ulta, and I asked for it to be gift wrapped. Let's see, I know I wrote myself a note. I am not seeing it in here, so maybe it's inside the bag. This is too cute. I have to move a little faster because I do have to go to work, but this is what I have. Yes, Octavia Morgan. So excited. So I'm quickly gonna spray it. This is what I'm going to wear today. They have the notes in the back, awesome, so I can read it. Vanilla, rose, rum, cocoa, and sandalwood. So Vanillin Supreme by Octavia Morgan. I have one of her other fragrances, deep, I think it's called Deep Rose. It's at home. I love it. I love it. When I smelled it, it reminded me of Morocco. I was in Morocco last year. So this is a blind buy. Plus, I'm going to wear this fragrance all day today. Obviously, it did not macerate because I'm pulling it out of the box real time. And I have to go prepare for my students. Let me check the time. Yep, it's almost 8 o'clock. So this is what it looks like fresh out the package. I don't see my note included, but it's okay. I will go to the internet because I just want to share it for me. You all may not be interested in my note to myself, but I just think overall, I just want to share it for myself. Vanillin Supreme, Octavia Morgan. I keep looking here when it should be over there. All right, so here we go. I'm going to spray it on my hand, and then I'm going to spray my whole body. I like to have the, I don't even know what it's called. I like to spray it, have it matching the label. So let's see. Oh. Smells very girly. One thing, I am suffering with a migraine right now, but I'm still gonna spray myself down. Sometimes I'm in a girly mood, feminine, right? Sometimes I'm in a masculine mood. I don't know what mood I'm in right now, and I'm trying to speak a little faster so I can get to work. I don't know what mood I'm in right now, but this is nice. It's a lot of different notes at one time. And personally, I don't think I'm in a lot of different notes mood at one time. Remember, I have a migraine, right? But I'm gonna spray my whole body. This just feels seductive and like a self-love, self-care moment. That's what this makes me feel like. The package did not mention like the top notes, mid notes, and the base notes. So we shall see. It's definitely giving a light vanilla. I don't really smell the rose, but once again, I have a migraine, so I will check in a few hours. This is fun. All right, let me spray myself. Oh, look at that. Yes. That thing went in my mouth. Oh my God. That didn't taste good now. And then because, you know, I wear a scarf, I'm gonna spray the top of my scarf because I'm about to put on a different scarf. You think that's enough? Yeah, because then I have to go teach pre-K 3. All right, so I am gonna come back with a part 2. Oh my God, it tastes disgusting. It tastes disgusting. Oh my God, I'll get some water. I'm gonna come back with a part 2 of Octavia London's Vanillin Supreme. So far, it's unique. To me, it's not as good as deep rose, or is it dark rose? I think it's dark rose. Not as good dark rose, but it's different, and I don't need all the fragrance to be the same. So I'm excited for this. This is a birthday purchase for myself, to myself, from myself, about self-love, and that's what I'm feeling with this. So I'm super excited. No, it did not macerate. I think I said it already. We're at 7 minutes. I will see you soon. Peace and love. Have a wonderful day. Look out for part 2. Blue vibrations. Peace.